is Pragya and my teammates Shravanti and Akhila. We are here to tell about healthcare system heart problem detector. We have designed a sensor in software called Comosol. The sensor looks like this. Let us get into a PPT. Our project title is Heart Problem Detector, Capacitive Pressure Sensor for Heart using Comosol. Our half of the sensor look like this in thermal conduct. This is our full part of sensor which is designed in Comosol. You can see here 4 parts. We have combined all the parts to make a single sensor. So this sensor is in Comosol.
Let us look into the software overview. These are the physical statements and this is the actual structure of the sensor by 3-dimensional. This is made up of silver and this is made up of steel. This is made up of steel and this is the outermost of the sensor which protects it. This is the main part of the sensor which we can see in the blue color. Let us look what are the sensor consists.
So this is the part which we had seen in blue color. This is membrane based and this is sealed chamber, this is ground part, this is insulator. Membrane based is which can measure the blood pressure. Sealed chamber is between ground part. In sealed layer the air is present which we can measure the pressure. Top and bottom parts are used for protects the air which cannot escape out from the sensor. This is insulator. This is our sensor part. When there is low pressure, the whole part will be in blue color and middle part of it is being in yellowish color because some pressure is applied in middle. Now coming to this in middle, now this plate is in medium pressure. In middle it is red color and by going on it decreases. It is high pressure. The complete sensor part area will turn into red color. Like this all part comes into red color. Each block of our sensor plays a major role. We designed this entire sensor in Comosol Multiclicks.
This is the final one, how the sensor looks like. Each of the sensor is visible in 3-dimensional. We designed this because to reduce the heart problems like arrhythmia and heart strokes. Even small age groups also is getting more heart problems. To reduce these heart problems, by implanting the sensor into the heart vein.
The sensor is useful for army people and also normal people to monitor their heart problems. This data will monitored by internet minute to minute.
Thank you for giving this opportunity.